Hi, my name is Rico Mandel. I'm the founder and CEO of Mise en Place, an online culinary marketplace and global community where foodies can find everything they love all in one place. And the concept is simple. Take all of the different parts of the culinary community, artisan food, wine, culinary tours, gastronomic occasions, recipes, cooking classes, culinary events, dinners, etc., and take all of that and put it under one roof, in one place, on one marketplace. So that way foodies have only one place they need to come to find what it is that they're looking for. And that is to make it really simple for them. And I know for myself, I would rather go just to one place instead of going to a whole bunch of places. The online global marketplace right now for just groceries alone we're talking about a $30 billion industry. And it's projected to grow by 2023 to $60 billion and probably will surpass that. Not only that, but of course because of the pandemic, we've got such a hunger and a thirst for new experiences, for being able to find all of the things that we used to be able to find. For instance, when we went on a wine tour and we would buy some of the wines when we got to the winery, now I want to bring that right here online. And right now we're in the phase of getting ready to launch. We're doing a beta launch, and that's going to start in January. With our marketplace, because the number one thing is we want to start with the marketplace and grow there. We already have an online community on Facebook. We've got over 20,000 people in that community. We've got people on Twitter. We've got people on Pinterest, and on Instagram. So the community just keeps growing, and I want people to be able to interact, and we have that interaction going on online, and I want to bring that not only online, but I also want to bring that, into the real world. Once the pandemic is over, the thirst for people to be able to get out there and experience these things is going to be crazy. And people are going to want to go, and they're going to be booking their vacations online. They're going to be booking, tours online. They're going to be looking for all kinds of things. And then those people that can't afford it, at least they'll be able to come to a place where they can experience it online, and not just as an observer, but actually as a participant in it. And that's the key. We want people to be able to participate in the experience. So that's what I'm bringing here with Mise en Place, and that's where everything is, that's the direction everything's going, and I hope that you see the same thing that I do, and I hope that you're here to join our community as well. Thanks so much, and I look forward to interacting with you both in person and online.